Hey, it's Ray Lampe, Dr. Barbecue. I just want to show you what I'm up to today. I'm cooking a pot roast for dinner. Regular old pot roast. This one's about 3 pounds, maybe a little less. Chuck roast, whatever they call that, you know what it is. And I'm going to cook it on the grill today, so I might as well barbecue it up a little bit. The perfect seasoning for this is Dizzy Pig cowlick. We think about this cowlick as our brisket rub. Chris and the Dizzy Pig team has won a bunch of awards, big awards all around the country using cowlick as the primary flavor for their brisket. But it's good on all cuts of beef. I like it on steak, I like it on burgers, and I also like it on pot roast. So what I'm gonna do, I got my egg, I'll set my egg up at about 300 indirect, and I'll season this up real heavy with the cowlick, and I'll put this in right on the grate for about 1 hour. Just to kind of get some smoke flavor on it, maybe a little bit of smoke added to the charcoal. And about 1 hour, and it'll kind of get brown and caramelized. It won't be like searing it. If you want to sear it, go for it. But I like this. It gives it a nice flavor, gets it started. And then I'm going to put it in a foil pan, and I'm going to add a few things. I got an onion. I'm going to probably quarter that, peel it and quarter it. I got a couple tomatoes, really just because I have them around the house right now. You could live without these, but it'll add a nice flavor. A couple cloves of garlic. And then I got a couple potatoes. I'll probably peel those and quarter them and put it all around it, just like you would a pot roast at home. And then about a cup or so of beef stock. I got some in the house, I'll put it in there. But at that point, I'm gonna cover it all in foil and put it back in. You can do it in the oven at that point if you want, because we're not gonna open it anymore. And 325, either in here or in the oven. Probably another hour and a half or so. It's a pot roast, cook it till it gets tender, but it's gonna be great. It's a really great idea for a pot roast. Get a little bit of smoke flavor on it and that great cowlick flavor, nice and peppery. I think you're gonna really like this one. Check it out at dizzypigbbq.com. That's where you can get all of our spices. There's a dealer locator there too. You might find some dealer near your house that has everything you need. Cowlick's one of the originals and very popular one. So if you've got a dealer, he's probably carrying cowlick, and I think you'll like it on your pot roast.